Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to create a website chatbot on the platform of BotPenguin. First of all, on the left hand side of the panel, you have the button for create new bot. Just click on it. Now here you have to select the purpose for which you want to create the bot. Now for creating the bot, just click on the first option, that is to create the website chatbot. Now here in added your chat flow section, you can design the flow in which your bot will interact with your customer. In the left hand side, you will see the frequently used chat component such as message, name, phone number and email. Then the second section has request information section. Here the chat component are that you can ask the user their name, their phone number, their email and text question, files, appointment and many more available options. Then we have a section of send information where you can send the message to the user, you can send an image or a video or a web link to the user. Then we have the triggered action section where you can trigger the live chat or connect the bot to the chat GPT. Then we have a test button by which you can test the bot after creating your chat flow. Thank you very much.